You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names: a scientific name, Latin name for a genus of trees, shrubs and herbs, plants. Essentially, if you want to learn more plant names, stay tuned. There are slightly different pronunciations in English. Base pronunciation is mimosa. Mimosa. You can also pronounce it with a mi sound rather than a schwa. So m or mi, mimosa. Now you can also pronounce it with a z sound. Mimosa, mimosa, mimosa or mimosa or mimosa. All those pronunciations are correct. So it's a mi or a m sound and a s or a z sound. And now you know all the different variations, the different pronunciations: mimosa, 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 and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.